Go ahead.
Hello, I'm Devon Wynn, and this is my senior project.
Okay.
It's a DCC model train set, and I reverse engineered this controller. This is a stock controller, fully digital. Controls these trains. You can program them, what have you. I took this controller and I reverse engineered it and applied it to an AC-12 platform. I have a C# interface hooked up. The GUI goes to this AC-12 microcontroller, which sends out to this circuit back there. This outputs 0 to 5 volts, as shown on the board, and that booster circuit in the back takes 0 to 5, transforms it to negative 15 to positive 15, which powers the trains. And inside this waveform is the waveforms that tell the trains what to do. It encodes a digital.
Right. So each command has its own.
Packets. It encodes packets within that negative 15 and positive 15, and then sends it out to this train track. And because it's digital, you can control 2 or more trains on a single piece of track versus analog.
Okay. So you have a interface right here then that mimics the controller that you reverse engineered.
Yep, that's correct.
So this is the second train.
Yep.
You can control.
Second train, I can make it go. Flip the switch, make the first one go. Control them independently.
Now normally this is somewhat difficult. Well, with the controller, this also controls two trains. This controller,
At least, yes.
okay. But you just duplicated it with the microcontroller.
Yes, that's correct.
Cool. But now, since we went this far, you could actually expand it. You could control more than one.
Oh, yeah.
More than 2, 3, 4, if you wanted.
Yep. Just add the extra lines of code and C and.
So you could actually go beyond the capabilities of this controller if you wanted to.
Of course. You can even that controller does not have crash protection in it. So what you can do is you can implement sensors throughout the track, possibly, and prevent a collision if you wanted to. Or proximity sensors on the trains itself. You could even do that.
Right. Now, could you actually control these trains through the internet if you had remote locations and web cameras and things like that?
Yeah.
Does anybody do that? They probably do, right? Can have a web interface for train?
Possibly. I haven't gone that far in research.
Okay, anyway, you have lots of possibilities. Okay, all right. Thank you very much.